I've been exploring the Balance meditation app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Balance is a meditation and sleep app designed for people who want guided support to manage stress, improve focus, and sleep more easily in everyday life. It works like a personal coach, asking about your goals and experience, then building daily sessions around your answers so practice feels tailored rather than generic. The core experience is built around 10-day plans that teach fundamentals like awareness, relaxation, and focus in small, manageable sessions, which makes it easier to build a consistent habit even with a busy schedule. Singles offer quick, situation-based meditations you can drop into throughout the day, from a short, energizing break to a commute or pre-meeting reset, while dedicated sleep content, including wind-down exercises and sleep sounds, aims to make falling asleep less of a struggle. Immersive meditations that mix guidance with sound effects and gentle vibrations add some variety if you get bored with standard audio sessions. User feedback is very positive overall, with a high star rating and many reviews describing Balance as genuinely helpful during periods of intense stress, grief, or anxiety, especially praising the calming voices and flexible session lengths. Some long-term users highlight the variety of single meditations and the ability to choose durations as key reasons they keep coming back, which suggests it can fit both quick check-ins and deeper sessions. However, it is not without flaws. While there is often a free trial or promotion, the app ultimately runs on a subscription model with monthly, yearly, and even lifetime options, so it may feel expensive if you are unsure you will use it consistently. As with most apps, occasional bugs, content preferences, or voice styles may not click for everyone, and the structured plans might feel repetitive if you prefer completely self-directed practice. Because this is a wellness app that learns from your usage patterns and purchases, it is worth being mindful that some personal and usage data is collected and associated with your account, even though this is standard for many similar services. If you value a guided, structured way into meditation with strong sleep support and a very user-friendly feel, Balance is a solid choice, especially if you plan to use it most days. If you're extremely price-sensitive or prefer minimalist, non-guided tools, you may want to test the trial carefully before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.